So before I really go deep into these sections, like start going into this thing, or maybe just going to recycle bin or something, uh, taskbar options and really notification buttons control everything. Let's talk about the options that you have on your desktop first. Then we will head to those things. So whenever you right click on your desktop, you will see like these buttons: first group, second group, third, fourth, fifth, and the sixth. These groups are designed to help us to manage the desktop professionally and to have a nice clean desktop. The first one is view. It really changes how you can see the icons. So large icons, medium, small one. For example, I want to see a large icons. Boom, you have large icons there. And also you can do some other work. If you hold control button from your keyboard, CTRL, hold it. Now if you just turn on, if you just wheel, you have wheel mouse. You have a mouse in your computer which is called wheel, and you just turn the wheel and it's becoming bigger and smaller. But most often we're using medium and don't like this small or large one. Auto arrange icons, it's basically arranging all the icons in your computer. For example, let me just bring some other icons that I can have in here that I wanted to, and then we'll talk about the rest and how to manage it. I'm gonna go to the themes, desktop icon, and then here I have the computer username network controls. I will talk about this, don't worry. Now let's go with auto arrange icons. You can see now everything is arranged there, and I can see now. And then whenever I wanted to drag and drop, it automatically arranges itself. So that's called auto arrange icons. Allowing icons to grade, it's just somehow allowing you to arrange everything to a grade to a somehow column or table like. For example, if you uncheck market, so you can just have them anytime, anywhere. So let me just uncheck this part too, and I can have it anywhere. I don't want it. So it's not like that. So you can make heart shape even like that using your icons. I don't have too much of the icons, but I can create a heart shape icons style there. Let me just align it to the grid. It's more beautiful. And show desktop icons is just showing desktop icons. And you can see it now. No, we don't see it. And whenever I hit back, boom, I have it there. Sort by is where you can sort all of them in one place. And you can say name, or maybe size, or maybe data modified as thing as you want it, okay? And refresh is refreshing the things that maybe there's something undone in your PC, in your desktop, so you hit refresh, and if something is undone, so you will have it as a done work. Paste shortcut is useful whenever you wanted to copy or paste something. For example, I wanted to have two new folders in here, so I'm going to click in here, copy, and I can really paste it in here. So boom, I have now two folders. But these are the main folders, okay? They are not the shortcut, and these things are also main icons or main things, meaning main folder or applications. But whenever I copy that and I hit shortcut, it's really not the main. I mean, its parent is in here. Whenever you kill the parent, you'll not have the child. So this is the parent, this is the child. And the shortcut, the goodness of shortcut is it's really not independent, which is really its cons bad thing. But the good thing is it doesn't keep the storage busy or the CPU busy. So it's really related to this icon. Whenever I delete this folder, this will not work. Okay, and its icon is this icon. And whenever I click back in here and I have undo copy, undo is really somehow if you do some work and you don't like it, so you can undo it. For example, I delete this thing in here, delete, and if I click if I click on undo, so I'll have it back. But sometimes I'm changing my mind again, so I'm gonna say redo. So that's there again. And that's all about these things. And these are my graphics, which we will talk about it in the section where we talk how to buy computers. Okay, graphic properties, graphic options like NVIDIA control panel, NVIDIA. Okay, these things, or AMD, something like that. For me, it's a little hard to pronounce this word. And new is for creating something new you wanted to create, maybe folder or maybe shortcut or something like that. So you can always create new shortcut or icon, or maybe using another applications that I will really introduce some of them for you in order to really help you to become master using computer. And especially I'm gonna help you with Zipped right now. Zipped is something that it really keeps the folder away of virus, but these days Gmail is not accepting it too much. It's fine, and that's okay. So it's really a compressed file folder whenever you create it. And let me change this icon because I'm using another applications that I will also talk about it. It's completely free. And there you go. Now its icon is zipped and it's compressed. Now the good news is of this is virus will not affect this, and if affect that, basically it'll not affect, but it's a little dangerous somehow because you can keep into it some virus. Okay, it's a little dangerous. So these days Gmail is not accepting it or some other email server. But if you wanted to somehow compress the data into it, so you copy and paste everything to this compressed zipped folder, which you will have the compressed one, low size one, okay? If you're worrying about too much size and storage. But these days no one worries about storage because we have a lot of them on the internet cloud and computer. And the last one is display settings, personalize. Let's talk about it on the next video.